Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast. Hope you had a wonderful weekend with a bit of rainfall over the western parts of the country because of cloud bands drifting in West Niger at about 35 millimeters, Mwenezi 33, Victoria Falls 31 are some of the highest falls. This is the cloud band giving us most of the moisture, but right now we're still monitoring Tropical Cyclone Dikeledi, which is expected to project southwards, drawing in the ITCZ as we get into the later parts of this week, giving rainfall over the eastern highlands. But for now, we're monitoring this cloud band from Botswana, which is drifting into the country, giving us rainfall over much of Matabeleland, northern Matabeleland south, and this should increase as the week progresses. But for much of this evening, we're expecting mild conditions across board, with cloudy conditions still prevailing over most areas. Tomorrow, it should be generally cloudy across much of these western areas, where Bulawayo is projected to be having most of this rainfall for much of this week, with more rainfall projected as we get into the later parts of the week, with heavier falls around Tuesday and Wednesday, same for Gwanda as well. Temperatures falling because of the cloud cover, and a bit of wind conditions cannot be ruled out in places. Tupane also being influenced by that tropical system which is drifting in from Botswana, whilst Victoria Falls is also projected to have a bit of thundery weather as well. For where we're expecting more rainfall as we get into the later parts of this week as the system draws eastwards into the country. Same for Kwekwe as well, and Kadoma not remaining unchanged because of the system that is moving in from the west. Harare projected to have rainfall over the later parts of this week as rainfall drifts in from the ITCZ. Same for Chinoy around Thursday into Friday. The rainfall should increase over those northern parts of the country, including Kariba as well. For the southern parts of the country, we're expecting a bit of rainfall over Masvingo, and also Bindura projected to have a bit of rainfall that's into the northeastern parts of the country. Same for Marondera to the east, where we're expecting more rainfall to increase in the later parts of the week. Nyanga also projected to have the same, and with that we remind you that plan with the weather in mind as you do outdoor activities. I'm James Ngoma Junior for the Met Department.